Let's clean coffee grinder with me. First, let's remove the hopper. After removing, clean the hopper.
So this one?
You can use water also.
Show me. Yeah. Wait.
Then clean the blender parts and the burr.
Can you show this
With the
one?
help of cleaning brush.
So, it's showing or not? No.
After clean, put it back, hopper to the grinder.
Is that right?
Then take some uncooked rice, or you can take cleaning powder as well. Put into the hopper. Then open the beans gate. And put coffee beans as well.
Okay.
Grind all the rice. Grind until finished all the rice. And at the end, don't forget to calibrate your grinder. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.
Done.